Rainstorms. One of the forms that can cause a water erosion. A water erosion is when an action such as water flow can remove soil, rocks, or dissolved material. The dissolved material that is being removed by the water from one location is then moved to another location. Canyons, caves, coastal erosion, and riverbanks are all examples of water erosion. Rainstorms can create flash floods and river floods. Flash flood does not have a specific flood season, but it does occur in the U.S. from spring to fall and in areas that have seasonal rainstorms. They can also occur in desert and along the coast. Rainstorms, thunderstorms, and hurricanes are all forms that can cause a flash flood that can create so much damage. Flash floods can tear down trees, houses, and create mudslides and can even kill people depending on a certain extent of water. River floods also do not have a specific flood season, but it also occurs in the springtime and in seasonal rainstorms. River floods do occur in more leveled areas than any other area. The damage that river floods create is as the water rises, people, houses, and everything else around it begins to sink. These river floods are caused by rain, rainstorms, and even melted snow. Now, to help you get a better visual of a flash flood and river flood, here are two demo videos showing a flash flood and river flood. Now, this demo video shows a flash flood, and as you've seen, the flash flood happens almost instantly, causing the water to rise rapidly and increasing the water all at once in such a short time period. This had caused the leaves that we set up to come down, and as the water rushed down, so did the pebbles and mud. The next demo video is a bit longer, but will show you what a river flood looks like. This demo video shows a river flood, and it is showing us how a river flood develops more slowly and eventually overflows onto land due to the water coming out from under the cup. This also shows us how, as the water increases, it slowly starts to sink the pebbles and leaves, covering almost all of the land. Flash floods occur within a few minutes or hours of a rain event due to the excessive and heavy rainfall, allowing the water to rise rapidly and at a high speed in just a short amount of time. Flash floods happen in drier areas because in drier areas there isn't anywhere for the water to sit, eventually getting distributed. River flood is a slower process and is usually increasing the river's water slowly over time before it starts to overflow onto the land. River flood isn't noticeable by humans unless flooded to a certain extent. River floods usually happen in flatter areas because in flatter areas there is nowhere for the water to escape. These are two ways that rainstorm causes a water erosion effects on the earth.